It's been very useful the entire day, very informative because a lot of things, I had a lot of myths and a lot of misunderstandings about organic farming, but once I attended today's session, I gained a lot of insights. So it's been a wonderful experience today.
Organic food that we took, it was fantastic. Almost all the 90% of the products came from the farm itself. That's what the chefs told us. It was fantastic, and I have to thank Preeti and Trupti because I never imagined compost making was such an important subject, such an interesting subject. So they made it so beautiful for us.
And talking about the trip which we came to, this trip is just amazing. The food, the ambience, the love we got from the people. We love the group, and we love the love and support, and we just saw fruits and vegetables growing the natural way.